Hi everyone, greetings to you. Myself Varnika. I am from grade 2.
You are from?
Grade 2. I am from GK coaching classes.
Yes. Tell about nature.
Don't pollute nature. Our earth is our home. Don't please don't cut the trees. Save water, save current. The earth is save our earth. Thank you. Signing off.